Page 217. This is the one at the bottom of the page, Raisins and Almonds. Well, again, they're giving you the melody and you get to figure out the chords. Isn't this fun? Let's just get the melody first. We're in the 3 flats, so we're in the key of C minor here. C minor has 3 flats. You're ending on a C, okay? And I just get the melody. We have a pickup, so we're coming in on beat 2. 2, 3, because it's a 3/4 time. Did I say that? I can't remember. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, because that's tied. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Reach up. Now, if that's a stretch for you, you can, because there's more than one A flat here, you can use a 4 and then 3 if you want. Keep in mind, we're using harmonic minor, and in a harmonic minor, even though it has 3 flats, we'll raise the 7th step, so we're going to play B naturals. That's where that comes from. And then they want you to come down here, measure 17, 2. I don't think so. I'm on 2 on measure 16. I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 17. I'm going to reach down and use thumb. And then scratch up and use 3rd finger. So I just help thumb to get me around. I don't want to go 2 to 2. So it's here, thumb. And then scratch up 3. And then again, 2. If you don't want to reach that, use 4 and then 2. Yeah, I want to connect it with the fingers. I want a fingering that works that way because it's really more reliable in the long run. Not everybody teaches that. They have different fingering styles, but that's the one I learned in college that did me the most good, so that's the one I use and teach. Now for the chords. Well, I bet we're playing the primary chords. For C minor, 4, 5, 7, and we're using the harmonic minor, which is B naturals. That's what we're doing. So then I'm just going to do block chords. I want to hear the harmony with the melody, but I got to figure out which chord goes where. Well, I'm going to use the main notes in the melody that the chord uses, I guess. There's no chord on the pickup beats. And then here, here. That doesn't work because the D isn't here. I gotta go here, go here, or here. Because there is a D and I'm not using that, it's here. So I just used the 5, 7. Now I could have used a 4, except the 4 doesn't have a D in it either. So I'm using 5, 7 there for measure 9. Here? No, I need a chord with an A flat in it. Well, that's the 4 chord. Here? Two. I could. That works. Now, B natural, that's 5, 7. So that sort of works. I mean, I can experiment with other chords and see, does it work? Because sometimes you think, is it a 4 chord or a 5, 7 chord? Well, you experiment. It's just the 4 chord has the F and A flat in it, so if the melody doesn't have those, then I'm probably not going to use a 4 chord. Then they suggest the pattern zoom chuck chuck. It's like that second full measure. Yeah. Is that really it? Well, they only give you 1 chord for the measure, so it's got to fit the whole thing, and that's really it. And the F, they're passing notes. They're passing tones. So, yeah, I'm going to use the 1 chord there. So again. 7. Now 4. That's sort of it. How about a different pattern for the right? How about this? Mix them up. It's up to you and your imagination and what you think sounds good for that day. Try different things out.